Hello everyone, it's day 2 of the Advent Calendar unboxing. Let's open up door number 2. If you're unboxing this with me, I think that is so fun. So if you are, let me know in the comments. And then I am aware. Oh, that ripped a little. Oh boy. Oh, fun. I like that this isn't specifically Christmas. At least it doesn't look like it to me. Okay, that I probably have to mute taking that out. There's a little glue dot here and it was really stuck down. Anyway, here is a little stamp set. I'm going to grab a piece of paper to put behind it so you can see the color of the ink a little better there. Or I guess where the ink will go. This is a very sweet little stamp set. It looks like you could build some kind of a bouquet, and the sentiment thinking of you is always appropriate for so many different cards. And it even looks like it might be a layering die or a layering stamp. So maybe I could layer this as the background and then put on some of the centers here and then put a leaf down, maybe layer another leaf, and then have these flowers kind of nestled in behind it. Very sweet. I wonder if I could maybe put this with my mailbox in some way. I'm not sure. But again, like I said in video number 1, I probably will wait a few days until I have a couple more materials to work with and kind of get started. So I know that this was a limited edition and you had to pre-order it before they mailed it out. So I know that some people were a little slow on that and missed it. So if that's you, I'm so sorry. And perhaps next year you could order it or before someone else does, before they sell out. But this is quite a fun little thing to do for Christmas time here. So I'm so sorry if you weren't able to pick it up, but if you did and you'd like to open up the windows with me, hello and welcome. All right, anyway, I'm going to come back tomorrow for number 3. So thank you for watching and come back tomorrow. Bye.